Gus, what do you have on your feet?
I wanted to make the ejected videotape movement.
Gus, what do you have on your feet? Gus, what is on your feet? What are on your feet? Shoes?
Yeah.
Whose shoes are those? Whose shoes do you have on?
Shoes.
Whose shoes do you have on? Gussie? Whose shoes are those? Are those Mama's shoes?
No.
They're yours? They look a little big. Oh my goodness, Gus. It's a good thing they only have a small heel. You're going?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, Gus.